You are not allowed to infringe upon the rights of another. I don't want to explain anything about this matter. You pay taxes to the government. Then you are proud of yourself as a Japanese national. You pay taxes to the government. It is a fee for you to use a lot of articles regarding fundamental human rights under the Constitution of Japan. Nothing is free. So, surely you understand that? It is a reason why you pay taxes. Deeply, I'd like you to philosophize about the rights you have as a Japanese national. People have the same tendency. Even when they do not pay anything, they cannot understand the value of the matters. So, I'd like you to imagine now the essence in this matter. You pay taxes to the government. You work hard, then you pay necessary money to the government. So you are ready to value how much you paid to this country. This means you should be proud of yourself as a Japanese national who uses fundamental human rights under the Constitution of Japan. You do enjoy living here as a person who understands common sense and moral standard. Through using necessary fundamental human rights, you feel you make sense as a being who possesses intellect given. You can change the quality of life through philosophizing this essential matter every day.